Hi, my name is Brendan Bohan and I'm a Solutions Engineer here at SingleStore. Today we're going to be signing up with SingleStore. First, you'll put in your first name, then your last, and your company email address. I'll put my personal for now. Just click I understand. And then your job title, whether that be a developer, a vice president, or other in my case. And I'm from the US, so I'll pick United States of America. Now we're a secure company, so of course I'll keep my password hidden. Now check your inbox. It should have the verification code to get you started. Click I agree and continue. So recently I got into the bamboo game and I created a company called Brendan's Bamboo Boutique. I figured the alliteration would help. Then of course your company email address. As my company is in its infancy, I picked the usual MySQL for my transactions. But I'm getting a lot of customers now, and MySQL is just not cutting it. I also want to add analytics on top of that, so that is why I'm choosing SingleStore. And you're all set. You are now the proud owner of a SingleStore organization. Feel free to click the next slides to explore as much as possible and get started.